This short tutorial is about how to compare and order rational numbers. As a reminder, a rational number is any number that you can write as a ratio of two integers. Typically, we write them in fraction form. Something important to remember when you are doing this, since you are comparing all forms of numbers here, fractions, decimals, you need to change or convert all numbers to the same form. So if you have a mix, you need to either, whatever you're comfortable with, either all decimals or all fractions. I tend to go with the all decimals, and a lot of my students in the past went with decimals because it just made it easier. Okay, so that's the way I'm going to do it here. So for example, we need to order these numbers from least to greatest. So first, I'm going to convert them all to decimals. Some of them are already written as decimals. So I have negative 0.4, 3/5, if you don't remember, it's 3 divided by 5, and when you work that out, you get 0.6. Then we have 0.09, and then we have a negative 0.75. Okay, if you don't remember how to change fractions into decimals, you need to go back and look at that tutorial. All right, so notice I stacked them and I got their decimals all lined up to make it much easier. I do have two negative numbers. Okay, since I'm going from least to greatest, I'm going to focus on those two guys first. Keep in mind, the farther a number is from 0, the smaller that value is. And if I want to do this way, which I highly recommend, fill in the blanks behind the numbers here so that each one of these decimals has the same number of places after it. Okay, so I can look at this as negative 40, 60, 9, and negative 75. Okay, but I'm going to focus on these two because those are the least. Negative 0.75 is the smallest value. Okay, followed by negative 0.4. Then I have to compare 60 to 9. So the least value is 0.09. And then finally, 0.6. Okay, now typically, I can't give it this way as an answer. I have to convert it back into its original forms. Okay, so negative 0.75 was given to me as negative 3/4. Negative 0.4 was given to me just that way. This was also given to me originally in decimal form, but 0.6 was given to me as 3/5. Okay, hopefully that helps you.